Welcome to Gail's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a pizza crust in under a minute using 3 ingredients. 1.5 cups of self-rising flour, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and seasonings. So let's get started. Take our Greek yogurt, 1 cup, add it into a couple teaspoons of seasonings, and you can use whatever seasonings that you like. I've chosen garlic powder and a combination of Italian seasonings. And then you're going to blend it ever so gently, just a few seconds. And you see we have a dough coming together. And much like a biscuit dough, this is a very sticky dough. Just turn it until your flour's soaked up all that liquid. This is going to make about a 12-inch pizza dough. For some of you that have large families and you want a bigger pizza dough, all you got to do is double it. It very easily doubles. You can spread it out on your pizza stone. You can spread it out on your baking sheet, but I would recommend greasing the baking sheet first. So there's our pizza dough right there. Okay, so we've laid out our dough on a piece of parchment paper, which I've floured ahead of time. And anytime you're working with dough, you're going to need a little extra flour sitting around because doughs will stick to your hands. So I just put a little flour over top of that, and I'm going to flour my hands like so. And then we're just going to mash this out. And like I said, if you want a bigger dough, just lay it out on a greased baking sheet and shape it however you want. It doesn't have to be round, but it bakes up into a nice dough. It can be used for not only pizza but calzones, and you can make this as thick as you like. I love thin crust, so I'm just going to push that out after I got my basic shape. Push it out from the center. And there you have it. Don't have to wait for delivery.